flooded compressor. You can tell my suction accumulator is completely sweating. My compressor almost completely sweating. My sub cooling is like 8 degrees and my superheat is like 1 to 2 degrees. My suction pressure is like 140 and my liquid pressure is down to about 230. And my amps on my compressor probably up because I think it's doing more work. It's rated for, that's B, so 17.9. I might have said it wrong, though. It might be doing. Yeah, I said that wrong. It's doing less work because it has a lower compression ratio. But it's definitely flooded. And I already checked the TXV bulb and all that. This is the carrier. Carrier.